Breaking news coming in at this point in time, and this has got to do with the interrogation details in Srinagar. Well, the details are in fact trickling at this point in time as far as the interrogation in Srinagar is concerned. Shahid admitted that Omar often discussed plans for terror attacks across the countries. Well, all the doctors worked together at Al Falah Medical College, Faridabad, and would discuss terror activities in meetings after the work for the day was done. This is from our sources that we're picking up at this point in time. Dr. Shaheen told that her brother Parvez Saeed was also included in the same chat group in which Dr. Muzammil and Adil were. Parvez may have destroyed the explosive material in anticipation of arrest before the ATS raid. The arrest of doctors reveal major Jaish-e-Mohammed network. Interrogation of the arrested doctors has revealed a large Jaish-e-Mohammed network. Dr. Shaheen of Lucknow revealed that brother Parvez Saeed was also part of the same chat group. So they were in all of this together. These are details that we have with us as far as the lady involved here in this jihadi act is concerned. During the process of the interrogation that is being done in Srinagar, Shaheen Shahid has admitted that Omar, who's believed to be killed in the explosion and who is in fact believed to be the driver of the I-20 car, discussed plans for terror attacks across the country. So they had a larger plan, is what we are learning. I'm going to go straight across to Ashish for more details on that story. Ashish, talk to us about the kind of plans that were made given the recovery of the massive cache of ammunition, explosives that we had seen in Faridabad. It was clear that this was a larger conspiracy. Of course, that wasn't successful is what really is evident at this point in time.
Yeah, absolutely. Dr. Shaheen told that his brother Parvez Saeed was also included in the same chat group in which Muzammil and Adil were. Parvez may have destroyed this explosion material in anticipation of arrest before the ATS raid. This kind of information also have been shared with the ATS after the raid, because it was very clear that interrogation of the arrested doctors has revealed a large network of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Dr. Shaheen of Lucknow. Clearly, even during this investigations told that his brother Parvez Saeed was also included the same chat group in where Muzammil and Adil were added. So Jammu Kashmir police and ATS reached Lucknow and detained the Parvez Saeed, also his brother, who is the brother of Mohammed Shaheen. However, no major seizures were made, but according to the official in this time and according to the sources, there is a possibility that Parvez may have destroyed the explosion material in anticipation of the arrest. So it was the reason that the Dr. Muzammil, Dr. Adil and Dr. Shaheen have already been arrested by Jammu and Kashmir police, was arrested in coordination with the Uttar Pradesh and Haryana police. While Dr. Umar, we know that about him, he was from Lucknow and who was then a teacher in Al Falah Medical College, Faridabad, absconded. During the interrogation in Srinagar, Shahid admitted that Umar often discussed the planning terrorist attacks across the country. So all the doctors worked together at Al Falah Medical College, Faridabad, and after work they used to discuss terrorist activities in the meeting. So it was a reason that a big nexus, which we can say that was running for a long time in the state of Uttar Pradesh, here from Lucknow also, because the two brother and sister were involved in this whole scenario as this kind of incident has taken place in Delhi. So it was a reason Shaheen was the prime, which we can say that this time accused in this whole scenario, and she has a responsibility also to recruit the women for the Jaish-e-Mohammed. So it was a reason, the main key point of the Shaheen Shahid was in this whole scenario which have been created in this time in this country, and behind this blast, which we can understand the conspiracy was running for a long time, and in ATS now interrogating the whole system this time. Right, to over to you.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting in those details and telling us more about how all of this was planned. Clearly, it was not just Delhi that they were looking at. The plan, in fact, that was being had was a bigger one across the entire country.